And this video, I need time and nice to meet you and nice to meet you and what was called on your nice YouTube channel and we'll have a nice video of cute tower and part 5 and I got and Paul and I will go to the second situation and I want to get to cat and I will go voice review. Good luck! Oops, I'm pausing up. I hope be careful. I got a checkpoint. No, my bell is off. Okay, now I got a voice review and next video.